Say the Cardinals.
Cardinals.
Say Pujols. David. Freeze. David. Freeze. Hang on.
Get it out of your mouth.
Oh.
Say Berkman. Molina. Molina. Carpenter. Say A-Rod. Jeter. Cano. Say Posada. Say Cece.
Marshmallow.
Say Marshmallow. Red Velvet. Say Cooper. Andrew Smith. Say S. Hey, how you spell your name? Say C. O.
O.
What comes after O?
P.
My racket.
Excuse me, my racket. Mine. What?
Hey, Sugarhead.
Ouch! Say, Sugarhead. Red Velvet. Oh, careful. Hey, yeah, I'm scared of you. He sees a shadow.
Who's that? Cooper.
Hit the ball.
Yeah, I'm scared you're gonna hit me.
Not that close. You gotta back up, boy.
Put your chair down.
Hit the ball.
I know, but I'm scared you're gonna hit me. Ouch. Ow! It hit mommy in the head.
So sorry, mommy.
Kiss it better? You kiss mommy's head better? Oh, thank you, Koopy. Look at that face. Oh my goodness. If looks could... That's the second time you haven't had. If looks could kill, I know that face. I invented it.
TV.
Yeah, hit the TV. Whoa.
Mommy do.
Alright, mommy throw it to you. Whoa! Back up. Back up, back up. I didn't mean turn around. I meant back up. Ready?
You missed.
Look at this low rider.
Low rider.
Still smells like something's burning. Ready? Whoa!
Raider got it.
The Raider caught it.
Say good job, Raiders. Koopy. Say good job, Raiders. Ouch. No running. Coach Jones.
Whoa!
Koopy say Coach Jones. Huh? No running.
Bounce it. Okay. Oh, there you go. Alright, hold it this way. Yeah.
I'm throwing BBs at you. You got it.
It's amazing that he knows how to pull it back to him. Most kids would just throw it the other way. Ready? Oh, almost.
You missed.
I just see this being shot right back to my